Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, nakikigaya na rin, no? Okay, for today's video, we will be discussing again my newest content, which is in the line of learning from the news, right? So, tapos na tayo sa Moira, nag-showbiz tayo. But we will continue with the showbiz related news. But of course, we are not dwelling much on the show business angle of the story, but let's continue with vocabulary. Remember, we are doing news vocabulary. Okay, so for today, uh, we've heard the news about Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, the case, the defamation case against Johnny Depp. But of course, we all know, and everyone have, most probably not everyone, but a lot of you, especially fans of these two, um, have um, have watched, followed the news about the trial, but the verdict has been out, right? And the verdict is that Johnny Depp was proven by the jury has proven that Johnny Depp was indeed and in fact defamed by Amber Heard, right? But we will not dwell into that. What we are going to talk about in this English news vocabulary is the the how do you call this, the award given. Of course, this is the legalistic term of the award given or the compensation given, which is damages. Now, what is damages and why is it different from its root word damage? Okay, so let's talk about damages versus damage. Okay, so we will talk about that. So let me go to my research again. Of course, you know that I always do research. Okay, damage. Okay, let's go to the basic ones first. Okay, damage, according to the legaldictionary.com, is the loss caused by one person to another or to his property, either with the design of injuring him with negligence and carelessness or by inevitable accident. So, damage, ito yung nagawa mong pinsala sa isang tao. Kunwari, nasugatan mo siya or nabunggo mo siya, napilayan mo siya, or meron kang nagawang damage sa property niya. Say for example, yung kotse mo, nabunggo yung bahay niya, o yung kotse mo, nabunggo yung kotse niya. Sabi dito, either sinasadya or out of negligence or carelessness lang, no? Kasi sa batas, which is very basic, is kahit hindi mo kagagawan, kagustuhan, no? Kahit hindi mo kagustuhan, pag nakapag-cause ka ng damage to other person, most probably, of course, kung i-contest naman, most probably you will be compensating the other person, di ba? Kasi kailangan, basic in the law and basic in life, is that we always do things with prudence, di ba? Dapat maingat tayo palagi. So again, ulitin ko lang, damage is the loss caused by one person to another or to his property, either with the design of injuring him with negligence or carelessness, or by simply inevitable accident. Okay. Now, the question here is, no, a lot of people I've heard and sometimes I read is that they tend to say for example, this person has caused a lot of damages in my property. From the language and legal point of view, okay, from the linguistic and legal point of view, damages is not about yung pinsala or the loss caused. Okay, it says here again, this is from dictionary.com. Damage is an uncountable singular noun. Okay? Pag sinabing uncountable singular noun, hindi siya pwedeng i-pluralize. am I getting technical here? Pero basic lang yung singular, di ba? Singular, isa, plural, higit sa isa, di ba? So, ito yung mga salitang hindi na kailangan at hindi na dapat pinopluralize by typically nalagyan ng S. Katulad ng furniture, ng ano pa ba, mga jewelry, di ba? So, hindi na lalagyan ng S yun. Kasi, it is an uncountable singular noun. So, kahit na maraming damage, you only say you quantify it before. So, a lot of damage has been caused, or I incurred several damage. So, you don't say several damages, kasi from the linguistic and legalistic, most especially on the legal side, damages is another concept, although syempre related pa rin dahil isa lang naman yung pinanggalingang salita. Pero based on the understanding, hindi sila pareho pa rin kahit paano. So again, you do not pluralize by saying damages if you just refer to the loss or to the injury na nangyari sa iyo, nangyari sa ibang tao o sa mga properties mo o properties ng iba. Okay? So now, what makes it different? Ano ba ang damages? Okay. From ito yung source ko is from Cornell University, no, which is one of its specialization is legal education also. Damages refers to the sum of money the law imposes for a breach of some duty or violation of some right. Eto na pumapasok yung ano bang in-award na bilang compensation kay Johnny Depp kasi it was proven na there was a defamation caused by Amber Heard. So, ang in-award sa kanya is damages. So, tingnan natin yung news, no? Sabi dito. Sabi niya, according to the New York Times, the jury awarded Mr. Depp or Johnny Depp $15 million in damages. Okay? So sabi niya, but the judge capped the punitive damages total in accordance with the legal limit. So hindi may legal limit sa pag-award ng damages, so hindi 15 million. So ang total na lang was $10.35 million. Okay? It's the learning from the language of the news, di ba? So once again, damage is the injury or the loss, pero yung damages is actually a compensation. Sa Filipino, although it's Spanish in nature, ang tawag din daños perjuicios. So once again, this is a very short one. Damage and damages are two different concepts, although quite related. Pero when you say damages, it refers to the compensation given for the damage, right? Or for the loss or injury. So I hope I was able to help you out understand news as they are words in the news as they are used in that context. Okay? So this is Fredo, Teacher Fredo. Parang nagmamadali ako uli o bagalan natin. Okay, so once again, this is Teacher Fredo, your well, I used to be called Plant Teacher Fredo, right? So because we want to plant kindness, we want to teach goodness. Okay? So see you again in the next news vocabulary sessions. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Dakal pong salamat, terima kasih. Bye!